So friends, where am I? I am in Lu Jo So, and in Spanish it's Lu Hoso. Yes, here am I in Lu Hoso, which is undoubtedly the pride of Kolkata, and it's the first Eastern India's first aquatic theme lounge, and probably India's first also. I repeat, probably. So friends, चलिए मीट करते हैं आज का हमारे उनके एंटरप्रेन्योर के साथ और जानते हैं ये ग्रैंड ये जो लाउंज हुआ है ये कैसे हुआ, किस तरह से बना, आप लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, हम लोग भी क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, what they also have to offer to all of us. So let's meet the proprietors. So here we are, we have the proprietors, a wonderful and beautiful Miss Poulomi. Okay, hello Miss Poulomi.
Hi.
And here we have the very handsome Mr. Kaustubh Ganguly. So hello Kaustubh.
हेलो।
सो कौस्तुभ, सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहेंगे ये जो हमारे इंटायर कोलकाता और पूरा ईस्टर्न इंडिया का पहला हमारे एक्वेटिक थीम का लाउंज है, तो ये आपका दिमाग में कैसे आया, क्यों आया?
Anirban, as you know, I myself is an importer for exotic ornamental fish and this is my profession.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely.
आप इससे पहले मेरा वेयर हाउस में भी वीडियो करके गए हो, तो आप जानते हो।
बिल्कुल।
तो आई एम बाय प्रोफेशन, दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग विच आई डू, और ये इसके साथ मैंने दिस इज ऑल्सो माई हॉबी। तो मैं सोचा व्हेन आई ट्रैवल थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, दिस काइंड ऑफ कैफेज एंड लाउंज आर देयर इन थाईलैंड, सिंगापुर, दुबई, but in Eastern India we don't have.
Okay,
so
absolutely.
that's clicked in my mind. I thought let's do something about this, because I know Kolkata is a package of fish lovers. It's completely full of fish oriented people who love to keep ornamental fish as their pet. So that's bring me with this idea. Let's collaborate this idea of the fine dining and the aquatic theme lounge together.
ओह, आउटस्टैंडिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग। तो ये बोलिएगा ना कौस्तुभ कि ये तो एकदम नया खोले हैं एंड आई एम श्योर लोग अभी तक तो उतना जाने नहीं है, जानकारी उन लोग को मिला नहीं है। आई एम वेरी श्योर मेरा
The first blogger in the house.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, आई एम रियली वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड।
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
ये सैटरडे को ओपन किए हैं, so we had a grand launch party
ओके
where we called Shidhu and the Journey.
ओके
So they performed right
Sidhu
here.
means the famous singer from Cactus.
ओह, एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट, आई मिस्ड आउट।
And followed by that Sunday we had fashion evenings, fashion nights. Nights where beautiful models have ramp walk on our floor. And we have a plan, like when you asked me that what the guests are going to get from us, क्या क्या मिलने वाला है।
एग्जैक्टली कि लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं ये लाउंज पे।
हाँ, तो लोगों का एक्सपेक्टेशन मैं बता रहा हूँ। We have in-house DJs. They are going to play 365 days first. Second, we have guest DJs. We have famous DJs who are coming throughout the city. Throughout the country. Maybe we'll try future bring DJs from abroad also.
Okay,
And
okay.
we
Abroad, okay,
Correct,
okay,
correct.
अच्छा, क्या
And
बात है।
as of now we have fashion shows, we have place for band performance, like as she mentioned, Shidhu and Jajani. So we are going to do that. We have ladies night, special free drinks for ladies night, unlimited free shots for ladies. We
Okay.
have also nice environment. Every hobbyist will love here. Alongside, for the inaugural offer, we are giving flat 30% off throughout the month. No happy hours. Every hour is a happy hour. Every day is a happy day.
Okay.
Every time everyone is going to get flat 30% off.
आउटस्टैंडिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग। तो मतलब ये क्या सिर्फ आपका लाइक वाइनिंग एंड डाइनिंग पे है ना, कि फिशेस के ऊपर भी है? हम लोग का फेवरेट फिशेस, ये बोलिए, फिश पे भी मिलेंगे क्या?
fish मिलने के लिए you have to contact me personally. You have to get it from my warehouse, not
Okay,
from here.
okay,
This is
okay.
for fine dining and dancing.
Okay, excellent,
As
excellent.
he mentioned, not only fine dining, like हम लोग इधर ambience ऐसे create किए हैं कि like when you come in the morning, like we have this, since it's in the basement, we have daylight ambience, so
अच्छा.
that you can feel like it's sunny and things like that.
Okay.
And like till 6 we have an ambience where you can come with your family, you can have fine dining and things.
Okay.
उसके बाद से we are starting this band performance and in-house DJ तो रहेगी and we'll call special DJs as well.
अच्छा.
So that you can come in that party mood. So मतलब office में थका हारा, when you are feeling where we should go for party, you can come here. If you feel कि Saturday को family के साथ dinner करना है, कहाँ जाना है, then also you can come here. So we have
Okay.
created that ambience, and as you can see, we have the dance floor there, and here only like we opened last Saturday.
अच्छा.
Sidhu and the Journey, Sidhu from Cactus, he performed. Okay, and then as Kaustav mentioned, like every weekend we'll have different bands performing here. So yeah, rest anything if you want to add.
Okay. So floor क्या सिर्फ आपका सैटरडे संडे में खुला रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
No. We have an in-house DJ.
Okay.
She's playing right now.
House DJ. Okay, where is she?
Yes,
Okay. Oh,
365 day for, and she's a beautiful lady.
lovely, lovely. Wow, wow, wow.
Also. And we'll also have a techno night on every Friday, most probably. We'll have Sufi nights. So every time we are going to get something new here. Alright.
Oh, the orders are already
The orders are here. You can see the beautiful mocktail glass. That's what we
Okay.
design. That's for you.
Oh, it's served in a fish design. Oh,
yes.
wonderful, wonderful.
सिर्फ
Oh,
यही नहीं है, like more glasses and cocktails are coming right away.
As we
okay,
mentioned, it's an
excellent.
aquatic theme lounge. So
Uh-huh.
we try to mention everything on.
So means all the bowls to the glasses also are somewhat in a fish representation.
Correct.
Outstanding, outstanding. Wow. And we like pet lovers will get a feel of not only of
Correct.
winding down, dining and a premium lounge, but entirely fish aquatic like theme as well.
This is
So
octopus
this is our
martini
special
glass.
glass.
Oh,
This is the octopus martini glass.
Okay. Octopus martini glass. Wow. Okay. तो यानी दोस्तों आप लोग एक बार
आने वाला है।
कमेंट कीजिए कि ये कैसा लग रहा है आप लोग को। ये तो लग रहा है अभी पूरा का पूरा मूड बन गया।
Yes, just check this out.
Oh, what it's flamingo?
Yes.
Oh, excellent. क्या बोलूँ तो आज तो बेसिकली मैं बस शूट करने के लिए आया हूँ। एक दिन तो खुद मुझे अभी एंजॉय करने के लिए आना है मुझे। फील दैट। ओह,
You're most welcome.
thank you, excellent, excellent. Oh, lovely.
Even our
And there also we have the very lovely DJ. Okay.
I want to introduce my bartender, who is
Okay.
also a lady.
Sure. Okay. Hello. Okay.
please introduce our manager, the floor manager.
Okay.
Raju.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Raju. Okay. Hello. अच्छा तो ये भी ज़रा बोलिएगा ना कि इधर में अगर इधर से अगर कोई फिशेस खरीदना चाहे तो दैट सेलिंग ऑफ फिशेस ओवर हियर तो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल राइट
This is purely for hobby.
ओके
But
दिस
we
जस्ट
can serve you fish because हमारे यहाँ पे सी फूड प्लेटर्स से लेके सब कुछ मिलेगा. ओके एंड वी आर प्लानिंग कि मंथली मतलब क्वार्टर और समथिंग विल प्लान फॉर अ सी फूड फेस्टिवल जहाँ पे
Okay.
हिल्सा लवर्स एंड अदर फिश
You'll get
लवर्स
from octopus to squid, you'll get everything.
ओके एक्सीलेंट ऑल सी फूड ओके अच्छा तो यहाँ का यूएसपी आपका हिसाब से ये क्या होना चाहिए ये लाउंज
Biggest
का
USP, we are the Eastern India's first aquatic theme lounge. That's
एब्सोल्युटली
the USP, where people can have food on a aquarium itself.
एब्सोल्युटली
मछलियों के साथ बैठ के खाना खा सकते हैं.
एकदम,
And
एकदम, एकदम.
And our interior theme is the biggest USP.
एब्सोल्युटली
And the
एब्सोल्युटली
pricing what we have kept by thinking of the all customers' pocket, we have kept a very nominal price.
Okay,
that
so
will
what
not-
is it? What is it?
That
Could you
will
just
not
tell?
pinch any customer. And on top, as I said, inaugural offer 30% off for everyone every day.
And as the name suggests, luxuoso, so you'll get luxury in pocket-friendly price. So that's what we want.
Correct.
एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी। और ये बोलिए ना, आप लोग को किस तरह का क्राउड आप लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो?
It's
मतलब स्टिल यू फील कि कोलकाता पीपल हम लोग अभी वी आर रेडी फॉर इट, हम लोग अभी स्टिक मेंटली इसके लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
Nothing like that. As I said earlier, okay, Kolkata is a place where hobbyists are the maximum numbers. There are fish lovers. There are people who loves to spend their quality time with family. So we welcome everyone here.
Absolutely,
We are
हाँ।
ticking all the boxes. As I earlier mentioned, like you can bring your family, you can bring your friends. It's pocket friendly budget. So the thing is, college students also can come.
ओके, एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट।
Like we have some exotic collections.
ये हाँ, अगर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ
That is a surprise for the fish lover. They have to come and check it by them.
ओके ओके,
Let it be a surprise for them. Let them come and check it by their own.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली। अच्छा ये बोलिएगा ना, यहाँ पे अगर यानी क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ बोलिए, क्या क्या एक्स्ट्रा क्या मिल रहा है? कोई अगर इधर में आना चाहे तो आपको क्या लगता है, कोई सिर्फ फिश देखने के तो लिए आएंगे नहीं, पर दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ट्रू कि इधर पे मैं जो आप लोग का कलेक्शंस देखा एंड द टैंक्स द स्केप्स आप लोग जो बनाए हो, दैट इज़ रियली वेरी अप्रिशिएटिव, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। पर इसका तो थोड़ा मेंटेन करना थोड़ा सा, आई थिंक इट कुड बी अ चैलेंज, आई थिंक, राइट?
We all love to take challenges, or as I said, that this fish business is my main bread and butter. So I know how to maintain it.
ओके ओके,
Guests can be rest assured they will not feel anything bad about it. They will love it.
बट इन दैट केस आप तो वी ऑल नो कि आप हाँ पूरा हमारे एक्वेटिक लाइन से आपका हो, पर डू यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस शुड आई से होटल?
We too have, and I have another more partner. We three have done doing it together because rest of the two have a proper knowledge about the restaurants and the lounge. They have done it from the long years, and today we are together to do it one more time.
ओह क्या बात है, ज़बरदस्त ज़बरदस्त। तो कौस्तुभ, इधर में कुछ अलग सा कुछ एंट्री फ्री, आई थिंक देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट?
There is no entry free. Entry is completely free of cost. But on certain events, there can be a covered charges, which is 100% redeemable with the bill.
अच्छा अच्छा। एंड मानिए कुछ इधर में लाइक डांस फ्लोर के लिए अलग सा कोई टिकट्स, एनी टिकटिंग सिस्टम? नथिंग लाइक दैट?
Nothing.
ओके ओके।
You come here, you enjoy whatever you want to do, you do it. Apart from harming my pets.
So and like do you have a bouncer?
Of course we do have
Okay.
two bouncers.
One
Okay.
lady and
ओके, यू हैव अ लेडी बाउंसर एज वेल। अच्छा क्या बात है, क्या बात है। तो इंडीड यानी तो मैं बोलूँगा क्या, मुझे बहुत मज़ा भी आ रहा है, बहुत फ़ख्र भी हो रहा है कि ये इंडिया एटलीस्ट ईस्टर्न जोन का पहला ऐसा एक्वेटिक थीम लाउंज है। सो प्राउड ऑफ इट। सो ये फिर बोलिएगा ना कि और भी आप कुछ टेबल्स बनाने का ऐसा कुछ प्लान है? दैट मीन मोर फिशेस?
We have already more tables inside. I hope you have covered.
Absolutely.
This is one of the area, and we have another area inside also.
दैट इज़ अ कंप्लीट बार, कोई ड्रिंक करना चाहे तो ओके ओके। अच्छा
Stools are there and everything is there.
ओके अच्छा, तो इधर में कोई सर्टेन व्हाट इज़ द टाइमिंग ओवर हियर?
From Sunday to Friday, we are open till 12 o'clock, and on
Okay.
Saturday we are open till 2 a.m. So आप आओ, सुबह तक पियो फिर जाओ.
क्या बात। अदर डेज?
From Sunday to Friday we are open till 12 o'clock. Midnight.
एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट। एंड तो इन दैट केस आप काइंडली अगर थोड़ा इधर का लोकेशन थोड़ा बोल दीजिएगा तो इट विल बी ग्रेट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस।
Okay. It's heart of South Kolkata. It's Desho Park, Pia Cinema, the iconic building where Satyajit Ray has also shoot for his film. This iconic building of Pia Cinema. It's just located at the basement of Pia Cinema Hall.
ओके
so people
ओके
can come for movies, have dinner here, and then go back home.
एब्सोल्युटली एक्सीलेंट पंच शुड आई से, बहुत ज़बरदस्त। And in that case, any particular, if you like to just put in your number so that people can contact you, or maybe anybody else from the management also कि maybe they want to, अच्छा ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्या कि people want to corporate booking,
Yes, we have corporate
birthday parties,
bookings.
something like
We
that.
have corporate bookings available. We have birthday parties available.
Mm-hmm.
We are open for anniversaries. We are open for any celebration. We are with you. Just one call away.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Call us. We'll book it. We'll do a reservation for you.
So what is the number that people should call?
They can call me or my manager or anybody of the
Mm-hmm.
owner.
We'll share the number.
We'll share the number on your screen.
Okay, great. So friends, I'm more than sure ये वीडियो आप लोग को ज़बरदस्त ही लगा होगा, and it's a very unique lounge, and naturally that makes my video a very unique one as well. So definitely do like, comment, and also do subscribe my channel Oni's Aqua. So I अभी इन लोग से आज अलविदा लेते हुए I wind up today's video. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and I hope you all will usher your love to this particular lounge by visiting this lounge. So very good night to all of you. Thank you so much. Goodbye Kausav, and thank you.